this drawing, you'll simply need a piece of white paper, a pencil with an eraser, and several different types of pens, and possibly a black marker to outline items. The first step in creating your elephant is to do the outline. First, we're going to draw the beginning part of the head, and it will go into the trunk of the elephant. Next, we're going to draw the ear. It doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, you're using pencil first, so we're going to be outlining in pen or marker at some point, and we can erase any mistakes that we make. Now we're going to do the bottom part of the elephant along with the feet. I'm probably going to have to erase the back end part of the elephant in a second because this doesn't look quite right. Yep, we're going to fix this line. And do the last leg. There we go. I'm going to add a little eye, an eyelash in here, so I know not to cover that up. The next step is going to be dividing our elephant in different sections, okay? So first I'm just going to, let's see, I think I'm going to divide it like this. Let's divide it up some more right here. Now I'm going to outline the elephant in black marker. I think I'm going to erase some of my pencil that's not covered. Next I'm going to use a black pen, and I'm just going to go ahead and make the eye, and I'm actually going to add little eyelashes as well. Alright, now we're going to add Zentangle patterns inside the different sections of the elephant. Let's see, I think first I'm going to do checkers. And then I'm going to color in every other to make a checkerboard. What I like about Zentangle is it's relaxing, and I can also, it's just a repetitive pattern. It's a nice way to spend your time. I'm going to repeat this pattern in the third leg of the elephant as well. Alright, as you can see, both of these legs have a checkerboard pattern. Now I'm going to move on to this bottom section of the elephant, and I'm just going to start doing a particular design. I'm going to use some lines. I'm also going to go ahead and outline this dividing line I made earlier. It's not perfect, but that's why I still have my pencil with the eraser, and I can erase some of those lines that I've made. Now remember, when you're choosing pens, to not choose something that lets out too much ink, because you don't want to smear ink in your drawing. Okay, I'm still not done. I think I'm going to divide it up like this. And then maybe let's do a dot in every intersection. Let's draw some curved lines. that section's done. Now in this next section, I think I'm going to do kind of a scale-like approach. So I'm going to use my pen to outline the dividing line I've already made. And then I'm just going to make humps, for the lack of a better word. And they'll continually build on each other. Going to add just random dots throughout the scales just to add a little more interest to the elephant. Doesn't really matter where, I'm just marking them at random. And then I think I'm going to do an every other kind of pattern, so I'm going to repeat this pattern in this section up here. So we're going to do a pattern here and then repeat it here in this very small section. I think I'm going to do zigzags. And then I'm just going to outline them several times. I'm going to color some of the lines in. And then this just needs something else. Let's add just some kind of pattern. And then we're going to repeat this slightly over here in this section. Alright, so about half of our elephant has patterns or designs. Let's go ahead and do the ear. I think I'm going to do a circle design for that. And I'm just going to draw random size circles and then draw some in the background as well, basically until the whole thing is covered. I'm also going to do a design. Okay, the ear is almost done. Well, I think it looks good the way it is, but you could also color in the black space behind and that would probably look good as well. Let's try that. Coloring in that background just makes the design stand out a little bit more. The last step is just doing the front section of the elephant. I think what I'm going to do is kind of do some kind of triangle design. But I also don't want to mess up my eye, so I'm going to make sure my design kind of goes around it. Now it's kind of got a triangle around the eye. Okay, so now I have the front end of the elephant segmented. I can do some patterns and things. I might do kind of an every other situation again. Other portions of the elephant, I think I'm just going to do circles to kind of repeat the pattern in the, these are just overlapping circles. I'm going to fill up the rest of the empty triangles with these, but remember I'm not going to do anything to this triangle that's got the elephant eye in it. There you have it. You've now created your own Zentangle elephant drawing. I hope you had fun. If you want to know more about videos and different things the library has to offer, please visit the library website at www.nwrls.com. I hope you had a fun day.